Hi, I'm Sophie and welcome to my world. Well, you know, I'm a party planner and every now and then I'll get a client who says, I need a specific craft, Sophie. And so I got this client and he said, I want to do a Santa Cruz beach boardwalk theme and I want to make something that people can take away that they can eat. And I was like, eat? Okay. And I thought and thought and thought. And what did I come up with? Saltwater taffy. So I'm going to take this saltwater taffy and turn it into an edible craft that is so cute, you're going to want to make them for all your friends. And I'm going to show you how to make it right now. For this project, you'll need 16 pieces of saltwater taffy, duct tape, an X-Acto knife or box cutter, and a cutting surface. What I love about these saltwater taffies is that they come in all these amazing colors and patterns. They're just gorgeous. And you can choose whatever ones you want. Now I say 16 pieces, but you can play with it. 16 pieces is going to give you a nice sized necklace. First thing you're going to want to do is take your duct tape. And you're going to want to cut your duct tape into 1-inch strips with your box cutter or X-Acto knife. And as you can see, I've already done that. Then here's all you got to do. It's as simple as this. Take your candy and pull out the little twisted end. Then take a second piece of candy, pull out that twisted end. Lay one top of the twisted end over the other top of the twisted end. And now take a piece of tape and just place it right over top. Fold it over so you're securing both pieces, and then you want to wrap this really nice and tight. Like that. That's the beginning of your necklace. Then you choose your next piece. Again, lay it tab to tab. And I like to switch out colors. So you're just going to keep going just like this. And I like to mix colors so that I'm doing 1 color, 2 color, 3 color. I'm a pattern kind of girl. So I'm going to take this orange one more time. Just go like this. Once again, put those two together. And you can even fold them together if you feel like they're a little bit more secure that way, but for me, I just like to get 1, 2 locked in and then wrap it around real tight. Like that. And you're just going to keep going until you end up with a chain of 16 pieces of candy. And then, of course, to end it, all you have to do is take those last 2 pieces, figure out which color is missing, pink, and secure these 2 pieces. Last time's always the winner. The best thing about this is that you can, choose whatever taffies, like you can choose by flavor, you can choose by color, you can choose by design, or you can just go crazy. And one of the things that I love to do is set it up like a candy store and let my clients pick it like they're at a candy store. And then they get to put them together. So let me take this out of the way so you can see how pretty that is. Isn't that gorgeous? And that's how you turn saltwater taffy into an adorable edible craft that you can make for all of your friends. For more great ideas that come from you, check us out at Sophie-World.com.